Welcome to 2024, where digital art is pushing boundaries like never before. Let's dive into the hottest trends you'll see this year. First up, AI-generated art. Artists are using AI to create stunning, unique pieces, blending human creativity with machine learning. Next, AR art installations are taking over galleries and public spaces, offering interactive experiences that blend the digital and physical worlds. NFTs are still going strong, but now, artists are exploring eco-friendly blockchain alternatives to create and sell their digital masterpieces. VR is becoming a key tool for digital artists, allowing them to sculpt and paint in 3D spaces, creating immersive art like never before. Glitch art and cyber aesthetics are back, with a modern twist. Expect vibrant, chaotic visuals that reflect our tech-driven lives. From AI to AR, NFTs to VR, digital art in 2024 is all about innovation and interaction. Stay tuned for more art trends.